Dubbed as a capital of new energy, Changzhou City, East China's Jiangsu province, reported a regional gross domestic product of 1.01 trillion yuan in 2023, up 6.8% year-on-year. As a manufacturing hub in the Yangtze River Delta, the city has magnetized a thriving cluster of top-notch battery and new energy vehicle makers, infusing robust momentum into its economic growth. The output value of the new energy industry in the city reached about 768 billion yuan last year. Data show that the industrial chain integrity of power batteries in Changzhou has reached 97%, ranking first in China, and the output accounts for 20% of the country's production capacity. The city also contributes to 10% of Chinese-made photovoltaic cells and modules. In 2023, it produced more than 700,000 NEVs, accounting for 70% of those made in Jiangsu. Plenty of foreign-funded companies in new energy have also settled in Changzhou and benefited from the local industrial chain.
Sicuramente la comunità locale, la municipalità, le società che poi hanno curato questo polo produttivo generale, perché ci sono tante aziende, sono state molto appetibili e ci hanno convinto che questo era il posto giusto. Tante professionalità di questo settore, tanti giovani che stavano studiando, sicuramente le condizioni anche economiche favorevoli.
We have been starting up this plant in 2011. At that time we were starting up here in Jiangsu because our customers were heading towards China and we followed them into this market.
Changzhou is the perfect city for manufacturing, all the ingredients to design a location to be able to scale manufacturing very quickly. I sure do, yeah, and we want to be a very large part of that, of Changzhou's new energy vision.
我们发现常州是国内的一个非常重要的制造生产基地。同时呢，我们看到常州呢在光伏、还有风电，那么还有电池、还有新材料方面都有很多布局。我们也在想，在其中呢找到一个我们可以共同增长的点。